Good morning, everybody. If you can listen, my clown loaches make noise when they eat. That's that clicking sound you hear. And yes, they click when they make noise. It's about 8 or 9 I'm in here with my black nasties. And there's a bunch of black nasties in here. They all just hiding right now. I'm dropping snails in here, and my clown loaches are eating them, so I'm feeding them spirulina tablets and algae tablets and snails for my clown loaches. I just want to say happy Friday to everybody. Hope everybody brought the new year in right. If you didn't, well, it's a chance to get it right now. Do the right thing for the right reason. Treat somebody like you want yourself treated. Keep them sleeves wet, y'all. Happy fish keeping from Cooper Cichlids. Peace.